We're rolling.
All right, Tanya. We got the Wonder Woman Blizzard from Dairy Queen. Supposed to have a couple different kinds of cookie dough. Here's some of the, see that? Some of the chocolate cookie dough. They're just kind of regular cookie dough, drenched in some Dairy Queen soft serve and some, looks like some fudge in here. All right, one bite. Everyone knows the rules. The Blizzard rules. All right, two bites.
What do you think?
I'm thinking 8.6. Want a bite? It's a little, it's spilling just a little bit. Might have filled it kind of full. What do you think?
8-1.
8-1? Fair score.
Or 7-6. I can't decide.
Ooh, that's kind of different.
Another bite.
It's gonna be a mess, but it's gonna be a good mess. You gotta get it all together. The cookie dough and the
Yeah.
soft serve.
It's like a 8.0.
Okay, maybe a rookie score, but okay. All right, that's a review.